I went up to the schoolhouse today, I'd be taking a test on European socialism. I mean, what's the point? I'm not European. I don't plan on being European. So I don't give a crap if they're socialists or not. Still wouldn't change the fact I don't have a car. Okay. Goddamn tank update. I need to see if it's the light, the indicator light. Oh, I can hear beautiful flame. My hot water heater. So one last insult to injury here. Yes. Yeah. Oh baby, burn. Hear that beautiful flame? I'm going to turn the air conditioner back on because you can't stay in here even for a few minutes without it just getting stifling without air. I lived for a year in here on the. It's heating up water as we speak. So 10 days and 5 trips to the damn gas place. Went to the store, got my cigarettes. They didn't have pizza flavored. I went with some other bullshit flavor. Everything's bullshit after pizza flavored chips. Pizza or hamburger. Then this. Now Sloan presents some other problems. Besides being a couple years younger than me, and the fact that she'd be the only cheerleader with a husband pregnant and a meth habit, there's issues there. Don't shed, darling, don't shed. I need to do a little bit more on this. There was one last insult to injury, and that is they had put one of these yellow safety deals in the gas nozzle, and it was like collapsible, disposable, probably made that way on purpose, broke off, and I had to chip it out with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers carefully so as not to booger the threads up, as my dad used to say. And that whole bit and caboodle needs to go back in there properly. But oh man, you know, the bullshit we put each other through so they could make 15 or 25 more bucks off of me, basically just looking at my tank saying it's certified. I gotta bring these things in. So I will get a shower and a hot meal soon. It's like being a field deployed Marine or something. Living like this is. Oh, come here. You saw your dress. What a mess. Cameron's a whole other problem. $10 says he's sitting in his car right now debating on whether to come over or not. I like it actually. I didn't at first. It's hard, and if you think you're going to move in an RV and save any money, you're probably not. It costs every bit as much to live in an apartment. Eventually I'll get a place, but following my antisocial motif, it works good for me right now. And you know, there's no pesky. You can move away from asshole neighbors quick, and there's no pesky. You got a jackass landlord and leave, you know. Cigarettes and non-pizza flavored chips. But you know, after this whole deal, I'm tired. But it's a good kind of tired. Feeling the satisfaction that one gets from installing improperly and maintaining a propane tank. Yeah. Darling, don't show. Thank you for the joy and pain. Central Park, second balcony. How you tore your dress. What a mess. You know, it just breaks me up inside. So, That's that. I can hear it going.
Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Take it up, baby. Let it on out. Let it on.
Streets of LA with no plug-in, no nothing, no electricity, no water, no sewer. I mean, you can deadhead and do all that, but it's not.
After all this, you know I'm tired, but it's a good kind of tired. I'll sleep like a baby tonight. For now, ta-ta, see you later, and God bless.
Oh, yeah. Finally.
I mean, hell, if you had access to a goddamn RV like this, would you take it back right away? Neither would I.
Not that I condone any isms. Isms, in my opinion, are not good. Jan, darling, Duncan, thank you for the joy and pain. Central Park, second balcony, how you sew your dress, what a mess.